Hello dear freelancers. So here is a quick video on how to use the system of Hunarly. Click on the login button and try to register. You can see the register button down there. This screen shows you the membership type. Select the free type and start entering your account information like your username, the password, and confirm your password. The other details like your email address, which you'll get the updates to, please enter here and confirm that email address. Once done, please click on submit and confirm. This will have you onto our system now. So once your membership is confirmed, it's basically your account registration. Click on the My Account on top. And this is your profile page where you can see the role tab. Please click on the role tab and you can click on the update to freelancer role. And when I click on the purple icons there, I can see the list and I clicked on create gig. In the gig, I give a title. Let's say I want to do sunset painting with an artist. Then I choose a category. In categories, you can see their options. You can choose which options you are, like showtime or do it like a pro, or if you're an entertainer, to hire an entertainer. So my one is do it like a pro. And then I can give some tags to it. Art, painting. And then down there is a description. I have written a description on a notepad and I just copied it here. Similarly, you can do your draft on a notepad and copy it here. Now I go down to choose a location. Where do I belong to? Because we are having gigs around the world. So I have chosen Europe and then I choose London as my city. Then down there is the image feature, which will be my profile pic. I try to upload, or if I have any already existing media files, I will upload the picture, what I'm actually going to do in this virtual gig. So that's the wonderful, beautiful sunrise. This is an example. I cannot do that well, but this is a sample of what I'm going to exactly teach. And then I click on Save Gig. So when I click on Save Gig, there is an options now going forward with other tabs. Add the gallery. In the gallery, you have Add Gallery. These are the other profile works that you can see. So in the other profile works, I'm trying to add some more of my works. Please make sure that you add as much as information about you as possible. That will help the audience or the users to know you better. This is same like you buying a product from Amazon, and any product you want to buy from Amazon, you would probably, or any other shopping cart, you would add as many details. You would see there, check as many details as an end user. Similarly, here, for your users to understand you, add as much as information about your works as possible. You can also see a link down there for a video on YouTube. If you have any, please enter it. And in the images or gallery, I would prefer to select image. Once you click on save again, you go to the next option of ticket. Make sure you understand this tickets clearly, that select the none option because this is all virtual gigs and either paid or free. If it is paid, give the amount of your ticket. If it is free, it would be default as 0. And the next one is the total number of tickets. How many attendees you are expecting, maximum will be there. Next is min and maximum number of tickets per person can purchase. That's the options, min and max. Total number of tickets was on the top. Now you give a start date from which the tickets will be available for sale. If your event is on May 10th, you can say the ticket sale can start from 6th May and give a timing from and until when your tickets will be available for people to purchase. And after giving those details, scroll down and make sure, yes, one more tip is make sure you're giving the timing very close to the event as required. And give a name to this ticket if you wish. I give it as Painting Sunset. And then I move on. I click on calendar. So if I go back, I can still see my ticket. I don't have to save the gig all the time. Then in the calendar, I select my actual date of the gig. It's 10th May. And then the end date is 10th May as well, because it's one day event. And from the time that my event starts, my gig starts is at 4 p.m. That is 16 o'clock until 6 p.m. or the 1800. In case I have two batches, then I would select one from 16 to 18 and the other one on the same date as May 10th start, May 10th end, and from time as 8 p.m. in the evening until 10 p.m. So this is mainly when you have multiple batches. This would be an option just to add a calendar. All right, and then let's move on. So that's it. You have created the basic details, added your ticket, added your gallery, and you have added your calendar. So your gig should be live now. Let's see where you exactly will see your gig. So click on the purple icons, the three lines there, and under the gig listing, click on gig listing. You should now be able to see the gig that you just created. There you go. Sunset Painting with Artist. You can see the number of tickets that maximum I can allow audience is 15. And once I click on the gig, manage gigs, I can see the sales graph or number of tickets, everything in a proper dashboard to keep me updated on the audience who are going to join. This takes away the tension from my head that how many are booked, how many are pending. It is just to come here and check. Now, if I want to send a Zoom link, just select the date of the gig and type in your Zoom, Skype, WhatsApp group link and click on Send Link. Send Link button. If you click on the Send Link button, it will send email to all the participants who have booked your gig. It's that simple. No individual follow-ups required. You can send this link as many times as possible if you wish to. So that was the screen that we have seen just now. Manage gigs. When you click, you can see how many people have booked. What was your sales like? It's basically making the booking process so simple and easy. And now it is about adding who you are, because people believe in your qualification and your experience. So click on Edit Profile and give your information and give your picture. Do not forget that. I'm not a parrot, but yeah. So that was a demo picture. You can see some of our gigs here, and there you go. That's my sunset painting, which I'm going to teach, hopefully. And so that's £3. And when someone clicks on Get Ticket, they will now be able to book your event. So they can click on the event and they can proceed with the payments. We have a secure payment with a SSL certificate on it. So all are safe payments. And here you can see the reviews. You can build profile, and there is your introduction about the profile, who is doing it, more information. So everything will be tracked and on the system, which builds the credibility. Thank you.